Hello everybody, today I will show you how to use Proxy on Signal app. So you just need to watch and follow this video till the end. Open Signal like this, and right now you just come here and click. So scroll this list, go directly right now to data and storage. Scroll this list and you will find here Proxy. Click on use Proxy. Right now, turn on or allow proxy first. Here you have to add your proxy address. I don't know, I just add something randomly just to show you guys the process. Then when you add the correct proxy address, click save. And for example, me, it's failed to connect because it's wrong. If you have the right address, it will work with you. That's all. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and